Hey, weekend warriors, you work hard, you deserve to play hard. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. Welcome to the Heartland Eddie Bauer 2900RL. This rear living couples travel trailer is highlighted by beautiful interior decor. You're looking at 34 feet long, roughly. We're 33, 11 3/4, and almost 7,500 pounds dry. For Sleeping Beauty, but at the end of the day, this is a weekend warrior getaway coach. I'm going to start right back here in the rear portion of the RL, the rear living area, highlighted by opposing slides, opening up the living space with comfy chairs on the campsite, entertainment on the off-camp side, and a special feature here in the back. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the oversized sleeper sofa that's located right here. Now, sure, with rear living RVs, a lot of times you'll get like the jackknife sofa, or you'll get like the little two-seater. Having an oversized actual couch really makes this more residential. And since it is Eddie Bauer and you're working with Camping World, you got two iconic American brands that have come together to make you have something you're going to be passionate about every time you go out to have those fun weekends. And that's what this one is. It's a laminated RV, well-built, good insulation that's going to last you a good time. And since it's Eddie Bauer, the decor is going to stand out. Now, you'll see that we do have large panoramic windows both in the rear as well as on the side with the solid wood valance, and the pleated shades give you some light dampening as well as some privacy. But having the option of going from just sitting here entertaining and hanging with friends to an additional sleeping space that can easily accommodate two adults, that makes this coach versatile. So if you're the grandparents, you're the emerging family, whatever it is, or you're going to go somewhere where you're going to have people visiting and staying with you, the 2900RL might be in your sweet spot. Add that to the fact that overhead, we have beautiful decor on my cabinetry with the ivory style shaker cabinets and the bronze pulls. You'll see you got good storage options. My AC vents are also well placed with the ductwork. I even have a vent and fan here to help move some of the hot air out. But if me and my loved one, we work hard every day, and we know when we go out, we want to play hard. But at the same time, I want some creature comforts of home. So you're going to get that with the Eddie Bauer travel trailers. That's why I like them. Sure, I got the windows, I got the valances, I got the pleated shades, I got large windows here. I got my recliner with the 5-inch console with the cup holders and the little hideaway spot for my remotes. Kick this out. I cut the TV on, grab me a blanket, open the windows. This is probably where I'm going to be sleeping for the night. But for my entertainment, check this out. There is that beautiful forest green that is a calling card of the Eddie Bauer designs with the gray, the white, and the brown. The earth tones scream, this is different. I haven't seen RVs like this before. That's what Eddie Bauer did. Now, sure, you got storage space down here for whatever you want to do, the games, you can make it a pantry, the fishing equipment, whatever. Your TV is on a swivel. So if you want to watch it while sitting down, you want to watch it while making dinner, you absolutely can. But what's behind, to me, is what really stands out. A hidden pantry space to go along with the pantry that's in your kitchen. Great for components, great for the games, whatever you want. The hideaway spots, maybe that's where you're going to put the good bourbon. Put your little padlock on this bad boy, and now it's a lockable space. But more than anything, this is your convening space. Now let me show you your cooking space. Now your Heartland Eddie Bauer 29RL midship, well, probably still rear, is highlighted by opposing slides, opening up the kitchen space, allowing you to have an island, plenty of pantry, and of course that Eddie Bauer design. Let's start over here on the off-camp side where we're going to have our prep and cooking area. Now, just past the TV, continuing the flow of that forest green, is going to be our pantry behind the solid door with the solid wood shelves there, like the space and the color. Then over here in my prep area, the only thing I would like to add right here is another light. Maybe get like one of those puck lights or, the suction lights to put up there. But you got press surface countertop, backsplash, both of them decorative, all of them flowing and continuing the theme of the Eddie Bauer with the 3-burner cooktop as well as the glass cover. They even gave you the grill style grates to help moving those plates, to help you move those pans around. I don't know if you want to put a plate on the grill, but hey, why not? It's your RV. Up above that is going to be your High Point microwave as well as your Furion 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt fridge freezer combo that also has the acrylic front. Now, I love it when RVs have opposing slides because you have an island This increases the prep space, but more importantly, if I was here doing dishes or even prepping, you still have space to move behind me. Storage underneath, solid wood cabinetry with hidden hinges, undermounted stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet, and then finishing off the kitchen area is going to be my buffet space. More storage up top, as well as plenty of storage down below. And right there is going to be some of the ductwork for your 30K BTU furnace to go along with your 13.5 BTU AC with the quick cool dumps to help kind of keep you, well, kind of where you want it when it comes to, temperature-wise. And for entertainment, check this out. It's on a Velcro mount, but you have the little Bluetooth stereo system here. I like these because you can move it throughout the coach, but more importantly, since you're a weekend warrior, you're going to go on those adventures, throw it in your backpack and take it with you. Now you got mobile sounds inside and out. And over here on the campsite, finishing off the super slide, is going to be our dining area. Since it's Eddie Bauer, you know it's going to look good. Just take a look at the wood that they've made everything out of. But one of the things they wanted to do is make it enjoyable as well. So your freestanding dinette is also what's known as a dream dinette. There's no legs down there of the table for you to knock your knees on. Add that to the fact that you got wood table, wood chairs, solid wood inlay, wood balances, LED sconce. This is a solid looking, solid built, just solid coach. Now I'm going to show you some more solid things, starting with the bathroom. Once again, that Eddie Bauer touch and theme continues in here with the color scheme, but my shower, I have nice high ceilings in here. So even with the skylight, I'm good with the headroom. I got the retractable shower door that is opaque. It's also treated with an antimicrobial film on it. And I got the matte black features on my upgraded shower handle with controls. Pretty sweet. But my vanity, very sweet. Pressed surface countertop, allowing me to undermount the sink. And I like this because now if I need to clean anything, I can literally just scoop it into the bowl. But there's no seal up here to dry rot and chip off. I got some linen storage here, mirrored medicine cabinet right there with the raised lip. So whatever you put in there is going to be secure. You even got some storage down underneath. Now let's go check out your sanctuary. Now, as you walk down the hall, that's where you're going to see in between the bathroom and the primary bedroom is going to be your command panel. This is where you come to run out your slides as well as your awning, check your battery or your tanks. Now, for your tank sizes, you have a 44-gallon fresh, 80-gallon gray, and a 40-gallon black. Pretty good tank sizes in a coach this size. And since you work hard, you play hard, you need something that's going to help you rest hard as well. Picture this. Beautiful 60 by 80 queen size bed. More Eddie Bauer decor in your storage, from the shaker style cabinets up top with the hideaway hinges and the bronze pulls to your wardrobe to the drawers, even the cubby spaces with 110 and USB charging. But you have a privacy window surrounded by a beautiful wood valance or siding, if you will. Picture morning sunrise, nightcap as the moon's coming down over the water, or just seeing what's out there. This is your privacy one-way window. And for additional storage space, you got more wards and drawers over here on the wall. And your TV backer is located right here on the off-camp wall with your power and your cable or satellite connection, which is also pre-wired for the wine guard if you want to get the signal boosting. Add that to the fact that you also have a vent and fan right here and ductwork for your AC. This is your sanctuary. But hold up, I still got stuff to show you outside. Let's go. Now, the outside of your Heartland Eddie Bauer 2900RL is highlighted by that beautiful Eddie Bauer logo, the graphics, the laminated sidewalls, and you got an 11-foot awning plus some great storage. But let's start right up front. Camp conveniences are always nice to have, especially when you want to set up quick or hook up and go quick. Having a powered tongue jack pretty much makes that happen. Right behind there is going to be my twin 20-pound LP boxes. Got my battery rails right there. And you have even a little solar quick connect. So if you want to throw in those little briefcases to help trickle charge the battery, great option to have right there. All seated on the oversized powder-coated frame, which is going to give this coach some really good support. Diamond-plated rock guard on the bottom to protect our fiberglass front cap. And right here is going to be that automotive-grade windshield, the privacy glass that I was talking about. With the pleated shade and the privacy glass, you can't even tell that we have the lights on. And actually, this has the pull-down shade, not the pleat shade, so it actually has a real shade in it. Very nice to have. Beautiful fiberglass. Now, right here, you're going to get a good shot of the aluminum superstructure that we have that this thing is built on. Makes it sturdy, but also makes it lightweight. Finished off pass-through storage. You'll also see that right here, you're set up for tire pressure monitoring. One of the most important things you can get with any RV, TPMS. Over 76,000 accidents happen each year with RVs. Number one cause is tire blowout. Get that. We got the enclosed underbelly, got the stab jacks in the front and the rear. 11-foot awning with the LED light strip, solid step over steps leading us into the entry point right here, which is going to be kind of like your main entry. Oversized grab handle to give us extra protection while going down the road. Slides look good, prepped for slide topper. Then on the rear, you got the rear stab jack, entertainment and power connection, as well as the 4x4 sewer hose storage. We are ladder prepped and backup camera prepped on this beauty as well. And that grade that we have up top and the 3-inch nozzles, that's going to help keep the elements off the roof, more importantly, off of you and the slide. Right here is going to be my 50-amp power cable as well as cable connection there. Stab jack again. And I love that they continue the flow of the color with the graphics out here. City water connection. This is the back of your tankless water heater. Fresh tank fill and black tank flush right there. And this is the back of your 30K BTU furnace. Do me a favor, behind both of these, do not put a camp chair. Don't ask me how I know. Other side of you pass through storage. And then right here is probably going to be one of the most important things you can get on an RV. I'm talking about the info panel. Now, this is where you come to see, okay, how much does this coach weigh? So for example, you'll see gross vehicle weight, we're at 9940. And when you're talking about a coach that's 34 feet long, we're 33 and 11 3/4. For aluminum, fiberglass, that's pretty good weight. And the difference between the two is how much cargo carrying capacity that you have. But I got to tell you, man, if you're an adventurous couple, you work hard, you work hard, you want to play hard, but more importantly, you want to look like you're going hard while you do it with Eddie Bauer style and class, you're only going to be able to pick these up at Camping World. And if you're thinking, Chris, this one's perfect for us, but do you have maybe something a little bit smaller, maybe even something for the families? Yes, we got you covered. We'll link some videos for you down below. But do me a favor, like, subscribe, and notify, and check out rv.campingworld.com or just come into your local Camping World to pick up your Eddie Bauer. Hope you enjoyed the 2900RL. I'm Chris Young. I'll see you soon.